I'm Melanie Mills. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to open the Ipsy bag, so stay tuned. So today we're going to open my Ipsy bag. You know I love getting my Ipsy bag, but first I got a package of Kathy's Creations. She also owns Sophia's Angels. Amazing, amazing charity, amazing things. And I bought a bracelet. And it came in the mail, and I was going to quickly open it and show you. Oh my god, I love her bracelets. So, can you see? Kathy's Creations, see? Oh my god, look. Isn't it pretty? Thank you, Kathy. Oh my god, I love it. All right. I wonder what's inside. It's one bag. Ooh, pretty. It's the Millennium Pink. Nude color, very nice. Same color? Something else. All right, and cute little Ipsy thing. Let's just get to what's inside. All right, first thing inside is a card, unzipped. Very cute. But let's see what's inside makeup-wise. Let's see. First thing I grab is Apto. It's for dry and it's moisturizing, and I need help this winter, and it's got a little foil thing, so I'm trying to get it off so we can, yes, we can see it. See it and smell it. Here we go. All right. Very faint odor. And it smells nice. I hope I didn't get it everywhere. All right, very nice. Smells good, and it's not thick. It's just moisturizing. Very nice. All right, first thing, Apto. It seems like I always get a moisturizer, and I kind of always use it up. I'm like trying to make sure I use up my moisturizer because I'm getting a new one next month, which is kind of fun, isn't it? All right, next thing in my bag is a brush. I love brushes. A Luxie brush. A double-ended Luxie brush. Why do I get so excited? I love new brushes. There's like, it's like something so happy, and like this is two brushes in one. Luxie brush, very nice. It's pink. It's so super soft. It's so super soft. All right, I love it. But like, how do you store a double-ended brush? Like, do I have to lay it atop across everything? All right, let's see what's next in the bag. This is a win. All right, let's see. Beauty Basics. Here we go. Let's see what's in it. Kind of matches. It's going with some kind of theme today. Is it kind of match? Yeah. Under all these lights, I can't even tell if it matches. All right, let's see. Beauty Basics. I can't even tell what it is. Ooh, it's a blush. Very nice. Peachy. Swatch it, ready? Swatch. It's soft and creamy, and it's a highlighter, is it not? It's a highlighter. You know what? It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow that goes with the brush. But I wonder if you could use it, because like that's pretty. I might put that on my cheek. No, I'm not gonna put that on my cheek. It's for my eyes. All right, so we've got a brush and we've got an eyeshadow. So let's try it out. Let's swipe it with this. Got a lot on. Let's see what we got. All right, it's a really pretty pink. I don't know that I'd use a pretty pink, but I think I'm gonna have to try. I'm gonna try. All right, so we're 3 items in. Moisturizer, brush, and eyeshadow. 2 more things in here. 2 more things. We're gonna go with the big thing. Holy shit, it's a big thing. Pink pewter. Pink pewter, pink pewter. Okay, I'm so excited about trying this. Okay, so on one end, okay, weird. Tiny. And this is volumizing, I think. And on the other end, you know, this is so good because I was just thinking I needed to try a new mascara. Let's hope, like, my sensitive eyes, be kind, be kind. Last in the bag is a tiny little pencil. See, it looks like a pencil. It says Trestique Trustique. I don't know. I'm butchering the name Trustique, and it looks like it's gonna be brown. So I pull it apart, and it's a little eyeliner. And shit, if that's not like as much product as sometimes you get in a full-size one, so that's pretty awesome. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, let's try that. It's brown. Don't put too much out because I just broke an eyeliner. Oh, that draws nice. That draws nice. All right, a nice brown eyeliner, and way to go, Ipsy, today. You fucking nailed it, okay? Moisturizer, I love it every month. A freaking eyeshadow, pretty. Mascara, a beautiful little pencil, and a brush. Awesome, nailed it, Ipsy. And thank you, Kathy, for my bracelet. Love it so much. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde opening my Ipsy bag. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Look at my bracelet. It's from Kathy, with Kathy's Creations. She makes them, and she has a charity known as Sophia's Angels, named after her mother. And they do Komen walks, and they do all kinds of charity works for poor and the sick. And when you buy one of these beautiful bracelets, you can support her and help.